Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint carousel effect animation in PowerPoint in just 4 minutes. So tag along and watch till end. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. So first of all, insert this donut shape, and what you're going to do is change its height and length as the same. Put it in the center and middle of the template. Be sure to align it. Decrease its inner radius, and the next thing you're going to do is insert a rectangle like this and place it right here, duplicate it and rotate it like this. Select the circle and then the rectangles, and then you're going to go to morph and fragment and unselect these four and group them and remove the unwanted parts. Move it upwards, rotate it like this that one of them is clearly to be seen in the template. Go to format background and you're going to change the background color to black. Select these three upper shapes and you're going to change their color to dark gray. And for these, I'll select all of them and remove their outline. And for this fourth rectangle, you're going to go to shape format and insert a picture in it. So currently, I'm going to use the picture of the Eiffel Tower because the topic I'm going to make this template is Paris. Uncheck this box right here, go to picture format and crop this and adjust the size of the shape and the picture. Here you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is rotate it and insert a text box for the title. And the title is gonna be Paris because this is the picture of Eiffel Tower that is located in Paris. So let's move it downwards a little and move this text upwards. Here you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is insert your content text. Let me just insert details about Paris, and I'm going to change the textbook's color to white and change this font to Agency FB. And here you go. Align it into the middle, and that's all you had to do in this template. Now you're going to duplicate this template and rotate this circle that the next shape is apparently visible in the template. Go to format shape and remove this picture and give it the feel of as same as the other shapes, and you're going to select this picture shape and you're going to give it a picture of another place or whatever you want to use. Now go to picture format and crop, and you can adjust the size of your picture and the part that you want to make visible in the template. I'm just going to use this, so let's go. That was all you had to do. Now change the header. I'm gonna use India because it's the country where that picture content is located in. So I'm gonna paste some detail about India and close the format background and duplicate this template. Rotate this again and change the picture to a solid fill as same as the other shapes, and for this one you're gonna insert a different picture from the first template. Let me use this picture of Singapore, and here it goes. Adjust it and crop it. Now the next thing you're going to do is insert Singapore and the title. Visit size because I want it to be perfectly fit into the space available. Let me just paste some details about Singapore and duplicate this template, and you have to repeat the process. Be sure to use high resolution images because that affects the purpose and the attraction of your template. So go to the first template and go to transitions and give it morph transition and apply it to all. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to check out the description to get the link to this free template.